you have taken me some really cool places. We've done some really cool geocaching.
Yeah, like always, right?
And you just pulled up to this, what is it? This is like an industrial park?
Yeah. And there's not even a geocache here, nothing around. So,
bummer.
yeah. Should we leave or?
No, because I'm looking,
What?
this is something.
That's true.
This is something.
That's a surprise. I wanted to
It's a surprise?
It's a surprise.
What?
I wanted to bring you here. This is a really special house of some famous German YouTubers. They run the channel The Real Life Guys and they build crazy stuff. I think it's worth a tour.
Can we just show up? Are they going to kick us off if we?
We will see.
Right. What are you guys known for? What do you do here at this amazing place? Do you do everything?
Yeah, we do quite everything. Yeah, we build some crazy stuff. Here's the place where we work a lot.
Okay.
So
Wow.
Here are,
Lots of tools.
yeah, here starts the projects, and then when they are finished, we drive on our place.
Oh my gosh.
But we can go here and watch out what we have here.
It's amazing. Thank you so much for taking me around. Let's check it out. This is
Let's check it
awesome.
out. To come to this place, you need to walk to a wash machine. Yeah, we need to wash our clothes.
Yeah, of course.
We have also a place for it. Here's the place where we clean our clothes.
I need to wash up.
Yes, you should. You should definitely should. You
Good,
look
good
kind
idea.
of dirty.
Okay.
I would like to put you. I don't see a shower around here, but
Okay.
maybe a wash machine will do.
Oh my
Could you
gosh.
please go?
Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow. I'm in the washing machine. There's a passage out after you get clean. Oh, cool. What? Where am I? I'm in the wishing well. Wow. Yes. This place is amazing.
Isn't it?
It's so cool.
I want to show you the biggest water slide.
What?
Yeah, on our place.
A water slide?
We built this in 1 week, so that's quite crazy. You can look up.
You built this in 1 week?
In this giant pool, but I don't know why they put all the water out.
You think we could
should be.
safely land?
Yeah.
When you look down, it's a little bit scary.
Oh, I wouldn't want to do it anyway. Is that what you're saying? Oh wow!
Yeah, and if you look right now down to the water slide,
Scary.
Question: do you have to get like special permission from the city or
yeah,
to do
we need
stuff
to.
like this?
We need to, but we just do it.
Ah, there you go.
And then all the people come and say we need to remove it.
Yeah, exactly.
We have the helicopter. Let's go
What?
to this place.
Now we're going up to the helicopter. Oh, it looks cozy.
Yeah. We removed already a lot of things because we don't use it as a Airbnb.
Yeah. Any air conditioning?
No.
No AC. Okay.
No AC.
Oh, that's okay. Can't have everything. Wow, that's real.
Yeah, we have some crazy things also in our house, so we can watch out.
More crazy things?
Of course, if you look there to the house, it's on the top, it's open, and in the house we have some crazy stuff that we built. Up here we have a room. You need to find it.
You know, maybe you don't know, geocachers are all about finding all the hidden things.
Oh yeah.
This is a nice shelf.
At least.
Does this move? Does this move? Do you have a hint? Is there a hint?
No.
No hint?
Oh! Yeah.
Awesome.
You find it.
Oh.
Behind there's a normal living room.
What?
From a friend.
Is the living room back here?
Yeah.
Oh, I can push farther.
Here's a big living room from us where we chill all the time.
Yes.
If we don't work.
Daniel, we should build a hype house like
Yeah, we
this.
should.
It's like the real, we could be the real old guys.
Yeah, that's true.
Not old, the real older guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the point.
Don't sue us. Okay.
We need to go higher in the house.
What? You can go higher? Ooh, the attic. Oh, I see.
Yes, to start from the zip line.
Yes. So this is the zip
place.
line.
Here's also a place where you can sleep if we have a lot of people here.
Yeah, if it's like, oh, this is overflow.
Okay, right now you can try it to jump from the. No, wait, I need
All
to
the way
say
down
it
to the
again.
ball pit?
If you jump down,
Okay.
you just don't hit yourself.
Maybe you show him first.
No.
Wait, he's not gonna try. Like he's never done it before.
I
Nobody's
tried.
ever done this before. I'm the one that
I
tested.
can do it.
Look at my arm.
No, his
It says just try it.
Look at his arm.
Oh,
Just try it.
just try it. He already tried it.
Just tried it.
He just tried it. I shouldn't maybe try
Should I
it.
go?
These stairs like are transformers. This is cool. Look at this. They fold. Oh wow. Wow. All right. Yeah. I'll leave.
So I don't want that you got hurt.
All right. Thank you. Here's. Okay. There you go. It's rolling. Sunglasses off. Okay. I don't want to lose those. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Here we go.
That's.
You survived.
Are you alive? I survived. You're right. It kind of did tweak my back a little bit. I should have leaned back a little bit further. Yeah. But I think I'm okay.
Okay. Yeah, he lands safely, but it looks a little bit hurtly.
I want to feel that one in the morning. I'm in Daniel and I are in a giant baby swing,
Yes.
but probably a little bit more extreme.
We'll see.
Yeah. Hopefully
We'll never
don't-
get out here again.
Hopefully we don't tip the whole thing over.
For safely. Okay.
I'm ready. Yes. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Jeez, I can feel it. Good thing I'm not having more kids. We did it! Mark.
Okay, well, I think that was it.
Wow. That was not maybe. That was the coolest tour I've ever taken.
On a house.
The coolest house tour, like the coolest cribs. You ever see
Yeah.
MTV Cribs?
Yeah.
This is like, the MTV should be here. Actually, that show doesn't exist anymore, but if it did, they should come
If
here. Mark?
MTV heard it,
Yes.
so you can come.
Yeah, Mark, thank you so much. You guys
Yeah.
are doing cool stuff.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, nice to meet you. Do something cool, people, and make sure you subscribe to the Real Life Guys.
And to this guy.
Hopefully they're already subscribed, but thank you so much.
Yeah.
Best to you. Keep making cool things.
Yeah, and you too.
All right.
Have a nice day.
Yeah.